Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System for the 2020 through 2022 and likely beyond KIA Telluride with factory installed flush side rails. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Flush Rail Foot Pack set of 4 and the Bar Evo Load Bar set of 2, available in silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these contoured rubber bases and 4 sets of these rubberized metal side rail brackets and 4 of these barrel fasteners. Now, these parts have numbers that are associated to them, which correspond to numbers that are shown in the instruction sheet to help with the installation. We'll demonstrate the installation on one of the feet. And this is the Evo Flush Rail foot. We'll go ahead and remove the outer cover. And inside, you'll see we have a threaded post there. Now, the components of the fit kit not only have numbers assigned to them, but they also have letters. And the letters are there to help instruct in the correct order of installation. So the first part to be installed is the letter A. And so we'll go ahead and slip that on over that threaded post. The next part to be installed is B, which is the base pad, and that just presses to the underside of the foot. And then the next part is C, which is the outer portion of the side rail clamp. And then you have the threaded fastener, which will hold these parts in place during installation. Okay, the next step would be to install this onto the load bar. And here we have the Bar Evo Load Bar. This we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar. That track is accessed by opening the end cap, where you can slide in the approved hardware between the 2 pieces of rubber in order to attach approved carriers directly to the top of the bar, giving you a clean, integrated method of attachment. Now, installing the foot onto the bar, we'll take off this end cap. Now you'll notice we have a slot, and within the slot we have this measuring device. Now the numbers that are shown on the measuring device are not mentioned in the instructions to center the bars. So you could use these numbers though to manually center your load bars. It is a manual step. Now to install the foot, it just slides on to that slot. At this stage it's important to put the end cap onto the end of the bar, and that'll prevent the foot from slipping off the end of the bar while you're maneuvering this around on the roof of the vehicle. Okay, and then the next step is we have a tool that's included with the foot pack to tighten the fastener. Now generally you tighten about 50% on one side and then the other side 50%, and tighten each side evenly. When you get to full tightness, this tool will click, indicating that you've reached the maximum tightness. And as you're tightening, it will tighten not only to the side rail, but also to the bar simultaneously. So there you can see it'll be gripping to the side rail and gripping to your load bar. Now, you'll notice on the underside here, we have some exposed slot, and we want to fill that in with rubber that's provided with the load bars to help maintain good airflow on the underside of the bar. Now we can go ahead and put the outer cover back into place. That'll snap on. And then there is a plastic plug here. You give that a 1/4 turn and that'll hold that cover in place. However, you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a metal lock cylinder. This is the Thule 1-key system lock cylinder. These are purchased in match set. A set of 4 will lock all 4 of your feet to the vehicle. However, you can buy these in larger quantity sets in order to have both your roof rack and your accessories and carriers that are part of Thule's 1-key system, all working on the same key. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System for the 2020 through 2022 and likely beyond KIA Telluride with factory installed flush side rails. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments on the system, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos and we upload new videos weekly. Thanks for watching.